Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. If you are new to this channel, I am Dr. Raman Sau, and in this video I will discuss about the basic sequences of MRI brain. I am not going into much of the details of the MRI physics part. I will just tell you how to identify the basic sequences of MRI brain. So let's begin the video. In MRI brain you have basic sequences like T1, T2, flare, then you have GRE or SWI, or this is also known as T2 star sequence. GRE means gradient recalled imaging, SWI means susceptibility weighted imaging, or T2 star, all three are same. Then you have sequence like diffusion weighted imaging or DWI sequence, also known as stroke sequence. Then ADC sequence, and at last you have T1 post contrast sequence. In this video I will discuss about the first three sequence, T1, T2 and flare sequence, and rest of the sequences I will discuss in the next video. So to understand the basic sequences, you need to understand the concept of white matter and gray matter. I have already marked the pinkish area is the gray matter and the white area is white matter. And to add on to that, the head of caudate nucleus, basal ganglia part, thalamus, this is also part of gray matter. So they will give the signal of gray matter. This is T1 sequence. When you are seeing an MRI image, first look at the intensity of the ventricle, inside the ventricle. So in T1, CSF is black or hypointense. Now look at the difference between the white matter and gray matter. So in T1, white matter is hyper compared to the gray matter. Hyper or white, and gray matter is darker than the white matter. The signal intensity of the fat is hyper in T1, and we all know that the white matter is composed of sphingomyelin, and sphingomyelin is fat. So in T1, fat is hyper and white matter is hyper also. Now come to the T2 sequence. You can clearly see that the difference between the white matter and gray matter. In T2, white matter is darker than gray matter. So white matter is black, gray matter is white, and the most important point is CSF. Can you see? The CSF is bright in T2 sequence. So inside the ventricle and also in the sulci, this is CSF, and CSF is white. This is a very important clue. Just see the difference between T1. This is T1. CSF is darker here, and in T2, CSF is white here. The basal ganglia and the basal ganglia, head of caudate nucleus, part of thalamus is also they are giving the signal of gray matter. Now come to the flare sequence. Flare sequence is exactly the same of the T2 sequence. First of all, it's a T2 derivative sequence, same as the T2 sequence, but the difference is CSF is suppressed. So CSF will be darker here. CSF will be darker like T1. CSF is dark or hypo. See this, CSF is black here, and look at the white matter. White matter is darker than the gray matter. So white matter is hypo and gray matter is hyper. And this is similar to the T2 sequence, but the difference is CSF is suppressed here. CSF is darker in T1 sequence also and also in flare. Now how to identify which one is T1 and which one is flare? And if CSF is bright, then this is T2. This is T2. CSF is bright here. No confusion to identify T2 sequence. Now there is a confusion how to identify T1 and T2. Just look at the difference between gray matter and white matter. Here on the right image, the white matter is darker. White matter is dark than gray matter, and on the left side, can you identify? This is brighter. So on the left side, white matter is bright, and we all know that white matter is bright in T1 sequence. So this one is T1 and the right one is flare. Why CSF is suppressed in flare sequence? If you come to the T2 sequence, CSF is hyper here, and most of the pathologies in T2 sequence appears also hyper. So if a lesion is very close to the ventricle and it is hyper intense, then it will be more difficult to pick up the lesion compared to the flare. I hope you enjoyed watching the video. Please share the video with your friends if this is helpful, and please subscribe to my channel, and you can follow me on Instagram also. I give regular radiology post in Instagram. So take care.